Hello guys, my name is Adarsh Santosh and I welcome you guys to the brand new video of FinTech. So today is the third episode of our stock market series, and in this video I am going to teach you what is stock, what is share and what is public listed company. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, let's try to understand what is share. Before that, think like this. You're going to start a business. You're going to start a manufacturing business and you're going to manufacture curry powder, okay? Some curry powder, some chili powder or something like that. So this is your company, okay? And you started the business at 2020 with a capital of 10 lakh. With the capital of 10 lakh, you started a business, a manufacturing business. So in 1 year, your business has become so powerful and it has become so famous. Your curry powder is one of the best curry powder in India. So because of that, the valuation of business after 1 year was 10 crore rupees. So when you are starting the business, the valuation was only 10 lakh rupees, and after 1 year, the valuation has increased like a rocket and the valuation of business was 10 crore rupees. So let's get into the part of shares. When you started the business as 2020, the valuation of business was 10 lakh rupees and you decided to have a share of 10 lakh for your company. That means you have divided this 10 lakh valuation, 10 lakh capital into 10 lakh shares. So 10 lakh divided by 10 lakh is equal to 1. So that means one share of this company at 2020 cost 1 rupee. That is what I am written here. Share price is 1 rupee. That means number of shares of your company is 10 lakh and the market valuation is 10 lakh, and when you divide this 10 lakh with this 10 lakh, we get the share price as 1 rupee. That is what I am written here. Market valuation equal share price into number of shares. Market valuation equal share price into number of shares. Share price into number of shares. 10 lakh into 1 is equal to 10 lakh. That is the market valuation. So in simple words, your company has 10 lakh shares. On 2020, your market valuation was 10 lakh rupees. So the share price was 1 rupees at that time. After 1 year, your company has grown that much. So the valuation of company at that time was 10 crore rupees. So what is the share price? Very simple. Divide the market valuation by number of shares. Your company has 10 lakh shares. So 10 crore divided by 10 lakh is equal to 100 rupees. So your share price also jumped from 1 rupees to 100 rupees. 1 rupees to 100 rupees. So now I am going to ask you, what is share? It is very simple guys. Share means the small parts of your company's valuation, or share means the small parts of your company's ownership. So you are dividing the ownership, you are dividing the valuation of company into small pieces. So share means you are dividing the valuation or you are dividing the ownership of the company. In simple terms, this is one of the simple definitions. You can get many definitions in Google, but just understand the concept. That is what we need, guys. And think like this. On 2022, the valuation of company jumped to 100 CR. So what will be the share price? Simple. Divide 100 crore divided by 10 lakh. 100 crore divided by 10 lakh is 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. Right? So this is how the share price and the valuation of company is related. In simple terms, market valuation means share price into number of shares. Market valuation means share price into number of shares. That's all guys. That's all. So now you are clear with what is share. And look at this. In 2022, you are thinking to add a partner to a company and you are willing to give 50% ownership to that partner. So how will you give the 50% partnership of that company? It is easy. It is easy. You want to just give 5 lakh shares to him. the number of shares of your company is 10 lakh and you want to give 5 lakh share to him. If he buy the 5 lakh shares of your company, then he become the 50% partner, or he become the owner of that company by sharing 50% of partnership. At 2022, the share price was 1000 rupees. Of your company's share price was 1000 rupees. So he want to buy 5 lakh shares of your company. That means 5 lakh into 1000, that means 50 CR. So he want to buy 5 lakh shares of the company by giving 50 CR. If you buy 5 lakh shares of your company, he become 50% percentage sharing owners. He become the owner of the company by sharing the 50% ownership. That's all. So if you are planning to give 25% of the ownership to a person, what you want to do is that just give 2,50,000 shares to that person. The 25% of 10 lakh share is 2,50,000. So just give 2,50,000. So by these ways, the companies transfer their ownership. I think you are clear. So now you are clear with what is share. And I am going to teach you what is public listed company now. So at 2022, you are planning to list your company on stock market. So for listing your company in stock market, there are some criteria and legal formalities. If you fulfill that, you can list your company in stock market through the process called IPO, initial public offering. Through the process of initial public offering, you can list your company in stock market. So why should you list your company in stock market? What is the reason, guys? Come on, tell me. You asked me, right? So I am going to tell you that. So you are planning to grow your company in a multinational level on 2024. You have set a target at 2024 to grow your company to a multinational level. So for that you need a huge fund, right? You need a huge fund for raising, so building that company to that much level in 2 years. You need that much fund. So what you can do in order to raise fund? There are two opportunities. First opportunity is to go to the bank and take loan. But taking loan is not an easy thing. It is a complicated thing. If you go to a bank, you want to give all the data, all the things about your project report, everything. And second thing, you want to give collateral as securities, and also you want to give a huge interest to the bank. That was a huge thing. That was a complicated thing. For that, for avoiding these things, you are planning to raise funds from public. You are planning to raise from the investors. You are planning to raise from the public people. So what you are doing is that you are planning to give 25% of your shares of the company to public through stock market. You are giving 25% of the ownership to the public and making public as a partner of your company. So what you can do? First, you want to do IPO, initial public offering, and if you pass that, you can get into the stock market. You can list your company as public listed company in stock market. So your company will be listed in stock market. After that listing, your company will be named as public listed company. Your company will be a public listed company. Why? Because your company is listed in stock market and it is available for public to buy the shares. So now your company is public listed company. Now the public can come to stock market and they can search your company and they analyze this company, and if they are willing to invest your company, they will buy your shares. What is stock? Basically, when they list their company in stock market, that company is mainly called as stock. That Reliance stock, Tata Motors stock, HDFC stock. Just know that only. So when the company is listed in stock market, they can sell some part of their ownership, some part of their share to public. The public will buy this share and the public become one of the owner of the company. So from that, a company can raise fund and they can utilize that fund for other development activities. So you know what is share, what is public listed company, what is stock, and you know why a company should list in stock market. the process of listing stock market is IPO. So after this video, I know you are clear with all the things. So that's all guys. These are small topics. It is very easy to understand, and I will teach you like this only. So you can easily understand from the classes, and share with your friends, share with your family, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And that's all guys. Adarsh here, winding off this video, signing off. Goodbye.